All right, we're gonna go for a little ride here in a big old bomb. It's a 1966 Mercury Monterey Convertible. It's a big car. It's got 2 bench seats, so you can take 6 people with you if you want. Really cool dash. I mean, look at all the chrome and everything. It's in great shape. It's all very readable. This one's got a 390 V8, the original motor. It's been rebuilt. It's got a 3-speed automatic transmission. It's got power steering and power brakes. Drives really nice. Power top. So this is kind of like an affordable way to get yourself a classic American convertible, you know, without breaking the bank. Everything seems to be so much money. If this was a Mustang, it'd be, you know, 50 grand. So this one's only 17,900 bucks, and I've got, it's actually one family-owned car. I have the original, I think I got the window sticker and the manuals and all that, and motor was rebuilt about, I think, 7,000 or 8,000 miles ago. I got the receipts for that too, and just a pretty neat cruiser. It's finished in like a dark maroon metallic. It's the original color for the car. It's been painted once. I think there's a receipt for that too. But not bad, you know. Still has the drum brakes, and it's got a remote mirror. I love this original steering wheel. So when they're like this, they're kind of cool. You just keep them running, have some fun with them. Power top works good. Top's in pretty good shape. You know, it's got a glass rear window so they don't get foggy or anything like that. A little busy here on a Saturday. But they steer real nice. It stops good. Recently had some new shocks put on it. You know, just regular routine maintenance. Runs on regular gas. Not too much to deal with it. But what we're going to do is we're going to go around the corner up here and take some more pictures and a little video. Show you some more of the car. All right, we're going to do a little walk around here with our 1966 Mercury Monterey Convertible. Nice big car. I think it's about 18.5 feet long. Pretty cool, man. Take your friends cruising in it. It's got a big V8, 390 V8, 3-speed automatic transmission. Lots of chrome. Nice chrome bumpers. Got the original hubcaps on there with some white wall tires. Tires are in good shape. A couple nicks and chips and a little older paint. I don't know if you can see that in the video, but you know, it's also not a show car and not 50 grand. So it's something you can just kind of have fun with. It's got a little bit of rust here and there. A little bit in the bottom of the door. It's got a little bit underneath. Nothing that's going to make the car fold in half, but you know, I'd like to tell you how it is. But pretty neat looking car. The interior is nice, you know, I think it's probably original. Doesn't look like it's torn up at all. Power top is in good shape, works good. It's got the center rear speaker like a lot of the cars of this vintage did. I know Impala had them and Thunderbird and things like that. The dash is really cool though. Got the original radio. I don't know if it works. I didn't actually try that, but original steering wheel. Great shape. Carpet's decent. It's got dual exhaust. Sounds good. It's got some like tube mufflers on there, so it's a little louder than what you would expect from a classic, you know, big car like this. But you can quiet it up with some just little street mufflers if you wanted to. It's a canvas. Drive it the way it is, enjoy it, or you know, fix it up a little bit. But one family owned with records. Pretty hard to find that way. Here's the power plant in the Mercury Monterey. Basically big old 390. It's got those Mercury valve covers on there. It's been rebuilt. Like I said, it's got about 7,000 to 8,000 miles on it according to the records that I have. Seems to run nice and cool. 2-barrel carburetor. Factory power brakes. Got a new master cylinder, and it's got some new shocks. A little bit of front end work done to it just to make it safe. But pretty cool. I'll go ahead and fire this one up for you. All right. Look at this thing. I love the steering wheel. It's got like clear on the back, see-through. Motor seems to run nice and smooth though. A lot of tune-up stuff done. New wires, new distributor cap, new coil. Battery's not too old. Like I said earlier, it's got dual exhaust going all the way out the back. Got a little wrap to it. Pretty cool. Well, if you want to see this one in person, come out and visit us at California Cars. We're in Simi Valley, 2158 Union Place. Beautiful sunny day today. Phone number here is 818-591-1313. My name is Rich. I'd be happy to tell you more about the car, or if you have any questions, need to ship it, want to finance it, you name it, we can help. All right, thanks for watching.